out in the med pool. This is behind the scenes. Oh my goodness, hopefully look at the stingrays. And this turtle is Benson. Benson is pretty hungry here, and Benson is recovering.
Yeah, so Benson has actually been with us a few years. He's a rescued green sea turtle. He was a victim of a boat strike, which is a pretty common injury for a sea turtle. And because of that, he's got some paralyzation of his back shell, and he can't sink properly. So that's why he's got the weights.
So he's got weights attached, and we've got stingrays that are trying to fight this turtle for some food, for some lettuce here.
Yeah, it's not really their diet of lettuce, but whatever makes them happy.
Oh, look at these active stingrays everywhere. You said it's kind of mating season for them.
Yeah, so we have the ability to pull off animals if we need to, if they get a little rambunctious during mating season, but that's why these guys are in here.
All right, these ladies, a little too rambunctious, ladies.
Yeah.
And then we've got the larger pool. Now this has such a wide variety. This is what we see from down below.
Yeah. So this is Benson, another one of our sea turtles, and he's a resident of this exhibit. It's 115,000 gallons of saltwater, tropical saltwater.
I want to feed. Oh, look at this one. And what was this one's name again?
This is Carr.
Carr. Okay, Benson and then Carr. And we've got how many different types of species in here together?
So there's about 100 different species of animal in here in this exhibit.
Okay, and it looks like, did I just see a shark swim by?
Yeah, we actually have several different species of sharks in here that you can see from our tunnel. So you get to walk through the tunnel of glass when you come into the aquarium, and their sharks will be all around you.
Okay, can we show people this target that you're using? You guys, this is really interesting. Earlier we were at the touch pool, and when we were at that touch pool, those animals didn't have brains. So no stress there, right? But this is different.
Yeah, so these animals are actually really smart. So one of the things we do is we train them as part of their husbandry. So Carr is trained to come to this red target, and he knows when that target goes in the water that it's time to come over and eat, and he can get exactly what he needs.
That's really interesting. And the other turtle's target is white. Why do you have different color targets for the different turtles?
So we actually usually either feed them at the same time side by side, or we like to feed them separate. That way they aren't fighting over food. We know exactly how much each animal is getting.
Okay, just to make sure that they're all getting a fair amount. Well, with so many animals in your tank here, I would think that would take a long time feeding time.
We usually do a couple of people at a time, so we can have 2 people feeding at different stations. Each animal is trained to come to a different station, so our sharks feed over at the far side, our turtles feed over here, and reduces competition and keeps everybody very happy. I
love it. We've got a lot of active, I'm seeing a couple like jumping up out of the water. This is definitely a fun place to be that not everybody gets to see, but you get to experience. You all are experienced here, and it's interesting because not only do you rescue and help rehab animals that can be released to the wild, provide forever homes, you're doing a lot to help the environment as well.
Yeah, so we have lots of local conservation projects that you can learn about when you come visit us here. We have conservation projects working on corals and coral restoration. Also, we have a local species of turtle called the Blandings turtle, which we're doing a grow out and release program on. And also we work with our local lake sturgeon.
I love that. So many interesting things, you guys. It is a tropical staycation, and it's happening all week long here at Sea Life in Auburn Hills at Great Lakes Crossing Mall today through next Sunday. And there's a special discount?
Yeah, so if you wear a Hawaiian shirt, you can get 40% off. And we are currently having a membership discount. So if you want to come to events all year long, you can buy a membership at a much discounted price.
I love it. Thank you so much, Kelly. We have quite a few more ocean animals to feed and pamper for their staycation as well. And New Sell toss things back to you.